Healthy-ojas presents you this video regarding Anahata Chakra. Anahata Chakra. Anahata is a Sanskrit word means sound that is made without any two things striking, as well as unstuck, unhurt, fresh, and cleans, the sound of the celestial realm. The sound means a constant unbroken rhythm by the heart, which throbs, beats or vibrates. This chakra has another name called Anahata Chakra. In Sanskrit it means heart, one who dwells within the heart. The Anahata is the fourth chakra. This is a powerful chakra manifest unconditional love, forgiveness, and patience. Forgiveness is one of the highest acts of a human since it could prevent war forever. Heart chakra is the center of the 7-chakra system, 3 chakras above and below. In this chakra matter and spirit unites and connects to the third eye and the crown chakra. Location for Anahata Chakra is situates on the inner wall of spinal cord directly behind the center of the chest. Anahata Chakra symbol is a lotus flower with 12 petals. The yantra is a 6-pointed star formed from the 2 interlaced triangles. The animal serves as the vehicle of Anahata Chakra is a black antelope. Symbol explanation. It has a lotus flower with 12 petals. These 12 add up and reduce to 3 representing the relationship between wisdom, power, and love. The crimson or blue-colored 12-petal lotus has vermilion-colored Sanskrit letters Kam, Kam, Gam, Gam, Nam, Kam, Kam, Jam, Jam, Nham, Tam, and Tham. The Vedas means whirlpool. It is divided on the petals are lustfulness, fraudulence, indecision, repentance, hope, anxiety, longing, impartiality, arrogance, incompetency, discrimination and defiance. It has 2 superimposed triangles with up and down apices. The descending triangle represents the body spirit, and the ascending triangle represents the matter rising to meet the spirit. It shows sacred marriage. The balanced interpenetration of masculine Shiva and feminine Shakti. These 2 intersecting triangles ascending and declining are forming a 6-pointed star relating to the 6 other chakras integrated at the center. The center has the seed mantra Yam. The animal vehicle of this chakra is a black antelope, symbolizing alertness, mercy and agility. An antelope is also noted for its fleetness. The central triangle with a flame has its perimeter symbolizing Akhanda Jyotir, eternal flame or unbroken flame which stands for the Jivatma, individual soul. Some say that it is a Banalinga, pebble linga rather than a flame. Below the 12-petal primary lotus, there is a secondary lotus with 8 petals enclosing a kalpataru, means wish tree that yields fruits of desire. Yogis see this 6-angled shape in their mind's eye as a lake, Manasrovar with a blue lotus. This is a yogic asset. A perfect yogi can realize their wishing. However, misuse of which can be disastrous. Color of the chakra is green representing unconditional love. This is the meaning of the chakra. Qualities of color green are love, balance, harmony, peace, calming, neutral, soothing, and healing. It relaxes mentally and physically. Additionally alleviates depression, nervousness, and anxiety. Anahata Chakra deals with unconditional love, hope, compassion, social identity, trust, forgiveness, wisdom, stability, mental patience, compassion, emotional empowerment, and soul issues. Anahata Chakra governs heart, blood, circulatory system, vagus nerve, ribs, lungs and diaphragm, thymus gland, breasts, esophagus, shoulders, arms, and hands. Bija or seed mantra is Yam. Pronounce the mantra by inhaling noiselessly through your mouth, and sound Yum, as in yummy. Make Yum sound by breathing in, air filling the mouth and throat cavity. Sense of this chakra is the touch, and sensory organ is the skin. The verb associated with the 4th chakra is I love. Musical note for this chakra is F. Element for this chakra is air. It represents knowledge, expansive, freedom, freshness, lightness, simplicity, equilibrium, calm and evenness. Air represents the breath, which is must for every cell to keep it alive. In yoga, prana refers to be vital energy, a basic unit from which all life begins. The mind can influence the body or vice versa by controlling the breath. Plexus for this chakra is the cardiac plexus. The dense cluster of nerve cells and supporting tissue, located behind the center of chest, chiefly in the epicardium, formed by cardiac branches from the vagus nerves, which slows the heart down, and the sympathetic trunks, which increases the speed of the heart, and ganglia. Endocrine gland for the Anahata Chakra is the thymus gland. The immune system is the must and vital for the healthy living and healing. The immune system is a multi-component interactive system, effectively protects us from various infections. Thymus gland trains antibodies, and thus it is vital to the immune system. People leading a stressful life may have more sensitive thymus, and they are most probably suffering from allergies. Balanced Anahata Chakra manifest well balance, giving, accepting of others, openness in relationships, compassionate, empathetic, humanitarian, completeness, and has an abundance of tolerance and patience. They see good in everyone and has a desire to nurture others. Sexual energy can surrender and merge in a love relationship. Unbalanced Anahata Chakra manifests the lack of love, no good toward others, everything for self, despair, jealousy, hate, loneliness, possessiveness, grief, and depression. It is difficult for the person to love others freely. The typical characteristic is someone who always has shielded around them, protecting selves, not trusting anyone. In worst-case scenario, prevents a self-love. The unbalanced chakra's physical effects are falling ill frequently, heart-lung diseases, high blood pressure, digestive difficulties, liver problems, diabetes, nervous exhaustion, and food allergies. Nourishing foods for Anahata Chakra are mostly green-colored. They are leafy greens, for example kale, spinach, dandelion, celery, etc., broccoli, cabbage, green teas and herbs such as basil, parsley, sage, thyme, coriander, etc. Yoga for this chakra, chest openers like Ustrasana, Bhujangasana, and Matsyasana. In addition, pranayama breathing exercises are like deep breathing, Kapalabhati, and alternate nostril breathing. Mudra for Anahata Chakra is Hridaya Mudra. Place the index fingertip to the thumb root, join the tips of your middle, ring and thumb fingers, and the little finger remains straight. Place your hands on your knees with the palms facing upward. Close the eyes and relax the body, keeping it motionless for 25 to 30 minutes. The middle and ring fingers have nadis directly connects to the heart, and the thumb closes this pranic circuit. This mudra acts as an energizer by diverting the prana flow to the heart and improves the vitality of the heart. Hridaya Mudra is helpful to release repressed emotion and unburden your heart. It is a mudra suitable to practice during emotional conflict and crisis. Reflexology for Anahata Chakra. The thymus gland governs immune system. Recognize and send appropriate antibodies to fight infection and disease. Your thymus gland got to shrink when you undergo too much of stress, thus thymus unable to fight disease or become more sensitive and false trigger immune response allergy. Locate the reflex point of thymus gland as shown on the picture, then using your thumb press firmly for about 25 to 30 seconds. Repeat this to other feet. Gemstones for this chakra are green aventurine, unakite, green moss agate, green jade, rhyolite, blue tiger eye. Essential oils for this chakra are rose damascena, English lavender and vetiver. Subscribe to our video channel for interesting videos and visit Healthy-ojas.com for useful information on diabetes, cholesterol, high and low blood pressure, eye and sleep problems.